Welcome back to Learning with the Difference news headlines in English for 24th of September. And first of all, national news. Cheetah homecoming ignited new enthusiasm in India. PM Modi. New telecom bill likely to be in place in 6 to 10 months. Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw. Uttarakhand Speaker voids 228 Vidhan Sabha appointments for violating norms. Celebrations in Jammu on first public holiday in honor of last monarch. PM Modi addressed the environment ministers of different states. Supreme Court to hear pleas against scrapping Article 370 after the Shehra vacation. Pak Fighter 16 package not a message to India over its Russia stand, US. Ex-President Venkaiah Naidu released a book collection of PM Modi's selected speeches. India's handling of energy-related issues quite impressive. US official. With eye on China, India to develop drones with US official. The India Meteorological Department on Friday issued yellow alert for Delhi, orange alert for Uttarakhand amid heavy rain. Haryana farmers blocked highways over crop purchase delay. Dengue cases rise in Delhi amid rains. Experts suggested early prevention. And now, international news. Joe Biden to take on rival Ron DeSantis in Florida rally as 2024 looms. Inspired by Squid Game, 1,415 students played red light, green light game for Guinness World Record. Russian Airlines airports employees asked to join military, our report said. After 2 years, Bhutan reopened its borders, welcomed tourists with honey, turmeric, and SIM cards. Jupiter to be closest to Earth on Monday in 59 years on September 26. Saudi Arabia announced discovery of huge gold and copper deposits in Medina. Nearly 10 million Australians hit by massive telecom cyber attack. And now some sports news. Former World Cup winning footballer Kaka will make his debut at the Berlin Marathon on Sunday. Dilip Turkey elected new Hockey India president on Friday. PR Srijesh, Olympic medal winning hockey player, slams Indigo for charging extra money for handling goalkeeper baggage. Now, news related to business. Sensex crashed over 1,000 points, marking 3 straight days of decline. Equity investors poorer by rupees 4.90 lakh crore as Sensex tumbles nearly 2%. Forex reserve falls for 7th straight week to below $550 billion for first time in nearly 2 years. RBI may let rupee weaken in the next 2 quarters. Kotak Bank. New telecom bill likely to be in place in 6 to 10 months. Ashwini Vaishnaw. Reliance acquired 20% stake in solar tech firm Calyx for $12 million. Work from home ends at TCS employees to come to office thrice a week. Top palm oil buyer expected 23% jump. Imports. Mahindra Finance shares fall 14% amid RBI order. And now news related to science. Chinese scientists created world's first clone Arctic wolf. Strange polygon-shaped cyclones on Jupiter puzzles scientists. Water drop discovered on Hugo asteroid offered clues to origins of life on Earth. Tonga volcano blast was unusual, could even warm the Earth. India working to transform its energy landscape with significant clean energy share, Minister Jitendra Singh. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.